Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are going to solve this age problem in a very simple way. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are going to solve this age problem in a very simple way. The question says, Julia is 3 years older than Helen. If the sum of their age is 37, find the age of Julia. As we can see from our question, Julia is older and Helen is young, but we know the sum of their age is 37. First of all, I'm going to let the age of the young one, that is Helen, equal to x. Let age of Helen equal to x, and we are talking about Julia and Helen, and we let the age of Helen equal to x, and they tell us Julia is 3 years older than Helen. Now, that means the age of Julia is x plus 3. So, Julia is going to be x plus 3. And they tell us the sum of their age is equal to 37. So, if I add their age, I'm going to get equal to 37. Let us find the value of x first. So, in the bracket, x plus 3 plus x, this is equal to 37. Let's open the bracket here. We are going to get x plus 3 plus x, this is equal to 37. X plus x, we got 2x plus 3, this is equal to 37. Take 3 to the right hand side, that is 2x, this is equal to 37, take away 3. 2x is equal to 34, divide by 2, divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2 we got 1, by 2, 1, by 2, it is 17. So, the value of x is equal to 17. Let us go to our question and check what is our question. We are supposed to find the age of Julia. Remember, we let the age of Helen is equal to x, and x equal to 17. So the age of Helen is 17. Now, Julia is going to be x plus 3. Julia is equal to x plus 3. This is equal to 17 plus 3. We get the age of Julia is equal to 20 years. I hope you understand this age problem. For more questions on age problems, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.